Welcome to the Praxis Pennsylvania Grades 4 to 8 Core Assessment, Mathematics and Science, 5155, Practice Test, proudly presented by TeacherPreps.com. In this lesson, you will complete 25 practice questions to check your readiness for your upcoming exam. Before you begin, make sure to click the link at the top of the description down below so we can follow along with the free PDF version of these questions. Question 1. What is the value of 262 minus 25, 39, written in expanded form? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is A, 200 plus 40 plus 8. Subtracting a negative means adding its opposite, so 262 minus 25 equals 287, and 287 minus 39 is equal to 248, which is 200 plus 40 plus 8 in expanded form. Question 2. A teacher is checking a student's work on the expression 6 plus 4 times open parenthesis 10 minus 2, close parenthesis, divided by 4. What value should the expression equal? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is B, 14. Following PEMDAS, the parentheses give 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, then 4 times 8 is equal to 32, then 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8, and finally 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Question 3. Use the math fact card to answer the question that follows. Which property of operations does the equation demonstrate? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is D, commutative property. The commutative property states that changing the order of the factors in a multiplication or the add-ins in an addition does not change the result, which is exactly what 5 times 9 is equal to 9 times 5 shows. Question 4. The fraction 8/12, rewritten as an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 9, is underscore 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 underscore. Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is A, 6/9. Dividing 8/12 by the greatest common factor of 4 gives the equivalent fraction 2/3, and multiplying 2/3 by 3/3 gives 6/9, which still equals 8/12. Question 5. Aisha scored 17 out of 20 points on a quiz. What percent of the points did she earn? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is D, 85%. Dividing 17 by 20 gives 0.85, which is 85%. Question 6. A classroom has 18 boys and 12 girls. What is the ratio of boys to total students? In simplest form. Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is D, 3:5. There are 30 total students, and the ratio of boys to total students, 18:30, simplifies to 3:5. Question 7. A recipe calls for 3 cups of flour to make 24 muffins. A teacher plans to make 40 muffins for a bake sale, buying flour in bags that each hold exactly 2 cups. What is the minimum number of bags the teacher must buy? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is B, 3 bags. Setting up the proportion 3/24 equals x/40 gives x is equal to 3 times 40 divided by 24 is equal to 5 cups needed, and 5 cups divided by 2 cups per bag equals 2.5, which rounds up to 3 whole bags since a partial bag cannot be purchased. Question 8. Use the number cards to answer the question that follows. Which number is both odd and composite? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is A, 21. 21 is odd because it is not divisible by 2, and it is composite because 3 times 7 is equal to 21, so it has factors other than 1 and itself. Question 9. A school is ordering pizza for 236 students, and each pizza serves 8 students. Rounding 236 to the nearest 10 before estimating. The number of pizzas needed is closest to ______. Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is B, 30. Rounding 236 to the nearest 10 gives 240, and 240 divided by 8 is equal to 30 pizzas. Question 10. A teacher has N stickers and gives 5 stickers to each of 6 students. Which expression represents the number of stickers remaining? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is B, N30. Giving away 5 stickers to each of 6 students removes 5 times 6 is equal to 30 stickers, so the remaining amount is N30. Question 11. Which expression represents the phrase 8 less than 3 times a number x? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is D, 3x, 8. 3 times a number is 3x, and 8 less than that amount means subtracting 8 from it, giving 3x, 8. Question 12. Noah has some trading cards. After giving away 12 cards, he has 34 cards left. Using the equation C, 12 is equal to 34. What is the value of C, the number of cards Noah started with? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is A, 46. Adding 12 to both sides of C, 12 is equal to 34, gives C equals 34 plus 12 is equal to 46. Question 13. Use the field trip cost table to answer the question that follows. A field trip company charges a flat bus fee plus a cost per student, X, for 15 students. This gives the equation 15x plus 40 is equal to 190. If a different group of 22 students takes the same trip, what would the total cost be? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is D, $260. Solving 15x plus 40 is equal to 190 gives 15x equals 150, so x equals $10 per student. For 22 students, the total cost is 40 plus 22, 10, equals $260. Question 14. Use the pattern strip to answer the question that follows. If the rule for the sequence is add 3 to each term, the fifth term is underscore 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 underscore. Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is B, 16. The sequence 4, 7, 10, 13 increases by 3 each term, so the fifth term is 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. Question 15. A ball's height in feet above the ground, t seconds after it is thrown, is modeled by h, t, equals t caret 2 plus 6t plus 1. What is the ball's height after 4 seconds? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is C, 9 feet. Substituting t equals 4 gives h, 4, equals dash, 4 squared, plus 6, 4, plus 1 is equal to minus 16 plus 24 plus 1 is equal to 9 feet. Question 16. If f, x, equals 4x, 7, what is the value of f, 5? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is A, 13. Substituting x equals 5 gives f, 5, equals 4, 5. 7 is equal to 20. 7 is equal to 13. Question 17. A classroom map is graphed on a coordinate plane, and the library is marked with the plotted point. Use the graph to answer the question that follows. In which quadrant is the library located? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is B, quadrant 2. The library is plotted at -3, 4, and a point with a negative x-coordinate and a positive y-coordinate lies in quadrant 2. Question 18. The graph shows a point plotted on the coordinate plane. Use the graph to answer the question that follows. What are the coordinates of the plotted point? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is C, 5 minus 2. The point sits 5 units to the right of the origin along the x-axis and 2 units below the origin along the y-axis, giving the ordered pair 5 minus 2. Question 19. A cell phone plan charges a flat fee of $20 plus 10 cents per text message. The equation that models the total monthly cost Y for X text messages is underscore 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 underscore. Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is B, Y equals 0.10x plus 20. The per text charge, 0.10, multiplies the number of texts x, and the flat fee of 20 is added on top, giving Y equals 0.10x plus 20. Question 20. A school garden is shaped like a rectangle with a length of 18 feet and a width of 11 feet. A class plans to install fencing around the entire garden, and fencing is sold only in 10-foot rolls. How many feet of fencing will the class actually need to purchase? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is C, 60 feet. The perimeter is 2, 18 plus 11, equals 2, 29, equals 58 feet, and since fencing comes only in whole 10-foot rolls, the class must round up to 6 rolls, or 60 feet. Question 21. A school classroom has the L-shaped floor plan shown in the diagram. Use the diagram to answer the question that follows. What is the area of the classroom floor? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is C, 72 square feet. Splitting the room into a 10 feet by 6 foot rectangle and a 4 feet by 3 foot rectangle gives 60 square foot plus 12 square feet, or 72 square feet. Question 22. A classroom fish tank is shaped like a rectangular prism measuring 50 centimeters long, 20 centimeters wide, and 30 centimeters tall. What is the volume of the fish tank? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is A. 30,000 cubic centimeters. Volume of a rectangular prism equals length times width times height. So 50 times 20 times 30 is equal to 30,000 cubic centimeters. Question 23. The diagram shows a rectangular storage crate used in a classroom with several measurements labeled. Use the diagram to answer the question that follows. Which measurement represents the height of the crate? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is D, 6 centimeters. The height is the vertical edge of the crate, and the diagram labels that edge 6 centimeters. Question 24. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, with vertex A corresponding to D, B to E, and C to F. If AB equals 6 centimeters, BC equals 9 centimeters, and DE equals 8 centimeters, then EF equals underscore 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 underscore. Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is C, 12 centimeters. The scale factor from triangle ABC to triangle DEF is DE/AB equals 8/6, so EF equals 9x, 8/6 equals 12 centimeters. Question 25. A carpenter cuts two congruent triangular braces, triangle GHI and triangle JKL, where side JL corresponds to side IG. Triangle GHI has a perimeter of 30 centimeters, with GH equals 8 centimeters and HI equals 10 centimeters. What is the length of side JL? Pause the video and select the best answer. The correct answer is C, 12 centimeters. Side IG equals the perimeter minus the other two sides, 30 minus 8 minus 10, which is 12 centimeters, and JL matches IG because the triangles are congruent. Nice work. You have just completed the first 25 questions from our Praxis Pennsylvania Grades 4 to 8 core assessment, Mathematics and Science, 5155, practice test, but the real exam has 42 multiple choice. Invest in your success and make passing simple by enrolling into our complete preparation program from TeacherPreps.com. Keep up the hard work. You have got this.